The Gingerbread Man, Loose in the School, by Laura Murray and illustrated by Mike Lowry. The Gingerbread Man, Loose in the School. I began in a bowl. I was not yet myself, just a list of ingredients pulled from a shelf, chosen by children who measured and mixed my smooth, spicy batter while sneaking quick licks. A sprinkle of ginger, some cinnamon too, molasses, soft butter, and eggs as my glue. Then in their classroom the children began to roll me and mold me to look like a man. They added some sweets to make me complete, and I baked on a pan in the warm oven heat. I heard a small ding, and they pulled out the pan. Finally, I thought, I'm a gingerbread man. The teacher called recess. The class jumped into line. They raced out the door and they left me behind. I popped off the pan yelling, please take me too. I want to be part of the class just like you. I'll run and I'll run as fast as I can. I can catch them. I'm their gingerbread man. Bouncing and bouncing my way down the hall, I rounded the corner and spotted a ball. It rolled up so fast, I had no time to hide. Then flat as a pancake, I stuck to its side. The coach picked it up and I started to bounce. There's somebody down here, I had to announce. Who's that? He said, stopping. Well, let's have a looky. He jumped when he saw me. Good grief, it's a cookie. I'm the gingerbread man, and I'm trying to find the children who made me but left me behind. Your class passed the gym a few minutes ago. Run fast and you'll catch them. Oh no! Where's your toe? My toe! It came off. Now what should I do? Go straight down the hall and our nurse can help you. I'll limp and I'll limp as fast as I can. I can catch them. I'm their gingerbread man. I picked up my toe and I hopped down the hall. Then I ran into a room that was tidy and small. The nurse came right over. She squatted down low. I pointed and showed her my broken off toe. You're quite a tough cookie. We'll fix you like new. I grinned and said, thanks, I'm a smart cookie too. You certainly are, if you found your way here. And what a brave face, not one single tear. One single tear. She fixed up my toe with a small dab of glue. Then she reached for a bandage and stuck that on too. I'm the gingerbread man, and I'm trying to find the children who made me but left me behind. Your class turned the corner just minutes ago. Try asking the art teacher. Maybe he'll know. He's right down the stairs. You can take a quick ride. Just hop on a handrail. It makes a great slide. I'll slide and I'll slide as fast as I can. I can catch them. I'm their gingerbread man. With spectacular speed, I slid to the floor and bounded right in through a large wooden door. I leapt for a table, but landed inside a brown paper bag with its top open wide. I plopped on a sandwich and chips with a crunch. Oh no! I cried out. I'm in somebody's lunch! I tried to climb out, but I spied two big eyes. They peered in the bag with a look of surprise. I'm the art teacher here, he said with a grin. This is my lunch bag. So glad you dropped in. I'm the gingerbread man, and I'm trying to find the children who made me but left me behind. Your class passed the art room just minutes ago. You might ask the principal. Maybe she'll know. I leapt from the table. I waved and said, Thanks for not taking a bite of my head. I'll skip and I'll skip as fast as I can. I can catch them. I'm their gingerbread man. I passed through an office, slipped under a door, and discovered a room I had yet to explore. Principal. I jumped on a desk and leapt to a chair. It started to spin, and I twirled through the air. Whee! Despite feeling dizzy, I jumped up for more, but froze when I saw someone peek in the door. I'm Principal Peacock. That is my chair you just took for a spin. I'm the gingerbread man, and I'm trying to find the children who made me but left me behind. The children you mentioned just left you too cool. They're hanging these posters of you through the school. Missing. Look at all those posters. And there on the wall was a drawing of me. The poster said, Missing from room 23. If found, please return him as soon as you can. We think he is lost. He's our gingerbread man. I jumped in her hand. Can you show me the way? We rushed to my classroom to shouts of hooray! The class said, We missed you. We want you to stay and be our new friend. Please don't run away. We made you a gingerbread desk and a chair and a house all your own. It is cozy in there. You're part of our class now. You're where you belong. Next time we go out, we'll take you along. I felt at home here, and I liked my new place. I looked out the window, a smile on my face. I ran and I ran as fast as I could. I finally found them. I knew that I would. The end. So a little different version of the gingerbread man. There's a summary from the back. Go find them, of course. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make today great, guys.